हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम टू लिखो स्टेनो अकेडमी। दोस्तों, डेली डिक्टेशंस के लिए और आपके डाउट्स के सॉल्यूशंस के लिए इस चैनल को अभी सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन प्रेस करें ताकि आपको चैनल से जुड़ी सभी अपडेट्स रेगुलरली सबसे पहले मिल सके। दोस्तों, मैं सीरीज़ स्टार्ट कर रहा हूँ प्रीवियस ईयर डिक्टेशंस की और कोशिश करूँगा कि आपको डेली एक मैटर प्रीवियस ईयर का दे पाऊँ जितने भी मैटर्स मेरे पास हैं। आज आपको मैं प्रीवियस ईयर का ही एक डिक्टेशन दूंगा। 80 वर्ड पर मिनट इसकी स्पीड होगी और 800 वर्ड्स की डिक्टेशन है। आपको डिक्टेशन प्रोवाइड कर रहा हूँ मैं, बी रेडी फॉर इट। एन एक्सपर्ट फ्रॉम IMO has visited and given recommendations to improve the navigational safety in Mumbai. And as I told you in the previous question, the government has also decided that restriction on vessels to enter the Indian territorial waters would also take place. Madam, earlier you said about children of India and the whole house supported you in that. I also wanted to thump my desk, but I was scared because thumping the desk is considered by some as passing a resolution. Madam, on 9th September 2009, a ship flying the Singaporean flag named Black Rose sank off the port of Paradeep. I hope he is listening, as the Honorable MP from Maharashtra has said that recently ship collided with somebody else in Mumbai and there was a terrible oil spill. There have been many beachings and many ships running aground, many ships colliding with each other and unable to pass in the channels that lead up to our ports due to all these accidents. I would like to know specifically from the Honorable Minister whether the Government of India is planning to have any modern system installed whereby ships amongst themselves and ship to shore communication could be improved. It is because the accidents today show that there are no communication facilities which are impeccable between ship to shore and ship to ship, especially those ships moving through the channels to the port. I would like to know if the minister's ministry has any such proposal to modernize the communication system. Madam, to modernize the communication system in the ports and to avoid marine accidents is one of the main challenges for the Ministry of Shipping, which we have been updating. Accordingly, to overcome the problems of congestion and collision in ports and to minimize the accident, a management information system called the Vessel Traffic Management System has been developed in most of the ports. It has various sensors like radars, the automatic identification system, hydrological sensors, computers and communication link devices. By ensuring movement of orderly traffic, the VTMS definitely helps to reduce risk to human lives, severity of accidents and environment pollution. I would also like to tell the honorable member that the VTMS regulating the maritime traffic flow in the port channels are already installed in 6 of the major ports. I would like to say that the process of installing the VTMS in another 3 to 4 ports would be over shortly. Madam, for the purpose of preventing marine accidents and collision resulting therefrom, the government would need to have laws that are in conformity with the best environmental laws available in our country. I would like to know from the Honorable Minister what is the legal framework available in India to prevent marine accidents and collision and to get compensation from owners. Madam, I would like to tell the honorable member through you that India is a party to international conventions on environmental protection. Specific laws on pollution prevention from ships have been enacted under the relevant provisions in the Merchant Shipping Act. It is very important to mention that India is also a party to the International Convention on Safety of Life at Seas, SOLAS, and Marine Pollution International Conventions. In the last 2 years, I would specifically mention that the Cabinet has approved accession to the 3 important conventions and protocols: the Nairobi International Convention on the Removal of Wrecks, the Protocol of 1996 to the Convention on Limitation of Liability for Maritime Claims, and MARPOL. We are in the process of acceding to other important conventions also. Madam Speaker, the Central Board for Workers' Education is providing funds or financial assistance for creating awareness amongst the workers of the organized and the unorganized sectors. I want to ask a question regarding the tea garden workers, particularly of Assam. In Assam, there are thousands of tea gardens and lakhs of workers are there. I want to know what steps the government is taking to create awareness amongst the tea garden laborers of Assam. The Central Board for Workers' Education is also active in Assam, and particularly if the trade unions come forward, we are giving them grants. Through trade unions only, we are creating awareness apart from our local education offices. Such offices are in Guwahati, Imphal, Siliguri. We are educating and creating awareness in the northeast areas. Madam, it is an admitted fact that jute is the most vital economic crop not only in West Bengal but also in other states of India. In West Bengal, the farmers fully depend on jute for their bread and butter. We all know that things made from jute are also eco-friendly. It is a matter of grave concern that the amount fixed by the government of India is rupees 1670 पर क्विंटल। सो दोस्तों इसी के साथ ये डिक्टेशन फिनिश होती है। इसकी स्पीड थी 80 वर्ड पर मिनट पर। डिक्टेशंस में फ्लक्चुएशंस क्यों हुई हैं बार बार आप प्लीज़ ये ना पूछिएगा। मैंने प्रीवियस जो ईयर्स की डिक्टेशन दी है उसकी एक वीडियो में स्पेशली इस चीज़ को मेंशन किया है, इसका मैंने रीज़न दिया है कि क्यों फ्लक्चुएशंस होती हैं। सो आप इस उम्मीद में मत रहिए बिल्कुल भी कि एकदम बिल्कुल विदाउट फ्लक्चुएशन वाला मैटर आने वाला है, क्योंकि अगर आपकी प्रैक्टिस ही ऐसी होगी कि फ्लक्चुएशंस के साथ आपने प्रैक्टिस की होगी तभी आपको पेपर में दिक्कत नहीं आएगी। अदरवाइज़ अगर आप प्रैक्टिस सिर्फ इसी हिसाब से चलेंगे कि सिर्फ कांस्टेंट मुझे 80 की चाहिए स्पीड, तो उसमें आपको प्रॉब्लम एग्ज़ाम में हो सकती है। सो आप इसमें इसको पूरा अच्छे से लिखिए, इसकी मिस्टेक्स निकालिए। अगर आपकी मिस्टेक्स इसमें 5% to 6% मिस्टेक्स भी अगर आपकी इसमें आती हैं, मैं आपको टारगेट देता हूँ 5% का। 5% अगर आपकी इसमें मिस्टेक्स आती हैं तो आप अच्छे से तैयार हैं पेपर के लिए, क्योंकि काफ़ी अच्छा मैटर है और हैवी मैटर है। सो आपसे मुलाकात करूँगा अगली क्लास में अगली ट्रांसक्रिप्शन के साथ। तब तक के लिए बाय बाय, टेक केयर।